Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing Monster Jam Racing with Bounty Hunter,
Nova,
Higher Education, Monster Mutt, Dragon, El Toro Loco, Gravedigger, Max D, and me. Which is the Truck Crusher. Yeah, I customized that in 4 days, and I customized it to join MTA Racing. Alright, Cole, set up Bounty Hunter and Higher Education.
I'm your man.
Alright, Cole is the bus.
Yeah, man, guys.
Remember, whoever passes the dirt first wins. Go! Oh, that was so close for a tie. So redo it.
Yeah.
You're back at the start. Go. Oh, I'm pretty sure Higher Education had that, so that means you won, Cole. You're the bus.
Back over.
Alright.
Nova, my own die.
So the winners are gonna hang out over here, while the losers are gonna hang out over there.
Yeah, Guido vlog.
Alright. No, that was not me. Alright. Monster Mutt and Dragon.
Yeah?
No, that Monster Mutt and a Dragon, yeah.
Oh, dang.
These are pretty cool trucks we have today.
Mama, man. Guido, let me give you.
No, we're not gonna do that. Alright? Go. Oh, Dragon takes the win. They both wreck.
Yeah.
We need our tow truck, which is outside, so I'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah, bye, Guido. Oh, they do all right. I'll be over. I know. Yeah.
Did you do something?
No. No, we're not doing it.
Alright.
We will.
Oh. Alright, Dragon takes the win. Monster Mutt loses. Alright. Don't stop. Now here comes the legend cars. Line up El Toro Loco and Gravedigger. Alright?
What, me man?
No.
Is that man?
No, are you gonna line them up?
Yeah.
Line them up.
Do?
Yeah. Haven't we done this like 5 times before? Alright, you can see Gravedigger. If it's even possible. Oh, he's swapping and go. Oh, El Toro Loco takes the win. Gravedigger is out.
Oh, no.
Alright. Now we'll get my truck and Max D. Max D versus Truck Crusher. Truck Crusher versus Max D. Go. Look at that wheelie for a win. I easily take the win on Max D. I am moving on to the next round. Alright. Dragon versus Higher Education. We're going to move the camera over here. Go. Higher Education takes the win, which is basically
No,
Cole.
me.
Yeah, this is you.
Aha.
And is he gonna go against me? Let's
Yeah.
find out. Oh wait, we have some instructions problem. Go.
No.
Oh, I took it. I took him. That was clean. All right, it is me. It is Cole versus me. Line us up. We need the drone shot for this. Hang on. You might have screwed that up. Alright. I'm on no man's land. While Cole's on the inside. Go! I take the win! Stop it! I took the win. Give me my truck. Give me my truck. I take the win. That was fun. Looks like this truck will do well in MTA racing, but can he beat the legend?